How to fix TCL Smart TV apps not working. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Go to your TV's home screen and navigate to the settings and look for the network or Wi-Fi setting or Wi-Fi settings. Check if your TV is connected to the internet. After that, restart the TCL Smart TV. So sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. To restart your TV, just press and hold the power button on the remote control until the TV is off, and now you can turn it on back about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, check for software updates. So outdated software can cause apps to stop working. To check for updates, go to settings menu on your TCL Smart TV, then scroll down to system and select the system update and choose to check for updates. Now clear app cache or data. So sometimes the app's data or cache may be causing the issue. To clear the cache or data, go to settings on your TV, then select apps. Find the app that is not working and choose clear cache or clear data. This will restart or reset the app and may help it start working again. And after that, install and reinstall the app. So if clearing the cache doesn't help, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. Go to settings menu, then apps, find the problematic app, select it and choose the uninstall. After it's removed, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and you can now install it again. And after that, reset your TCL Smart TV. If none of the above steps works, you can reset your TV to its factory settings. Be aware of this. Will erase all your settings and apps. To reset your TV, go to settings, then select system, scroll down and select reset or factory reset. Follow the screen instruction to complete the reset, and after that you can contact TCL support. So if the problem persists after trying all of the above steps, contact TCL support customers for further assistance. They may be able to provide the solution specific to your model. So this is how to fix TCL Smart TV apps not working. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.